Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City for the 2023 Atlantic City Air Show. They're expecting a record crowd today of about 600,000 people, so that's pretty crowded here, especially on the boardwalk. But there's lots of vendors on the boardwalk as well. I'll take you guys up there in a couple of moments. Meanwhile, we're just finished setting up, and I think the show starts in about an hour, so looking forward to it, and I'm going to show you guys everything there is to see. It was pouring rain this morning. I was actually wondering if they were going to call the show off. Obviously, it's weather permitting, but the rain stopped, and it looks like it's trying to clear up. There's still a lot of heavy, low clouds, which that's going to have to lift for this show to go on, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. We have an hour and a half to go yet, and I'm sure that sun's going to help burn some of these clouds away. So we'll take a walk around the beach on the boardwalk, and I'll show you our setup right after this introduction.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? March along, sing.
Here's my little two-man pup tent that I set up on the beach. I'm here with a buddy today who knows a lot about these aircraft. He was in the Air Force, so he's going to help me out a lot with regards to identifying planes and stuff like that. Now, pay close attention to how empty this beach is right now, because within an hour, it's going to be hard to even find a spot here. And don't worry about that gloomy sky. The sun's going to burn away those clouds. It's going to be a beautiful day here on the Atlantic City beach. You know what they say about the weather in New Jersey? If you don't like it, just wait a minute. Just going to take a quick walk here on the beach before it fills up and becomes impossible, and then I'm going to head up to the boardwalk. Lots going on up there as well.
On its way, held off the cages of its storm. For wherever we go, you will always know that the army goes rolling along.
I think I told you guys in previous videos that I've been to the AC Air Show 3 years in a row now. The first year I went was pretty much just for the channel's sake, but I got hooked that very first year, and I've been coming ever since and plan on coming every year that they do have this air show here in AC. Now, my camera setup as Jeff from New York is pretty much cameras made for boardwalks and hotels and casinos and restaurants, not so much planes way up in the sky. So now that I'm becoming a serious air show person, I might get some new equipment that'll bring me closer to those airplanes as they're flying by. In the meantime, we'll just deal with the equipment I came with today, and I have a year to save up for some air show camera equipment next year. There were lots of vendors here on the boardwalk. Everyone had a tent, it seemed, from the military to New Jersey utilities to vacation rentals, you name it, you found it here on the boardwalk today. Lots of free swag too. If you're the type that love frisbees and free bags and keychains, this was the place to be today. The airspace over Atlantic City today is completely closed off to commercial traffic, so if you see something in the sky that has an engine, it's part of the air show. This plane's part of the Army's Golden Knights Paratrooper Show. In 1962, this team earned the nickname the Golden Knights, golden signifying the gold medals the team had won, while Knights alluded to the team's ambition to conquer the skies. Since then, the Golden Knights have conducted more than 16,000 shows in 50 states and 48 countries, reaching an average of 60,000 people per show. This show, ladies and gentlemen, is 10 times bigger with 600,000 people. The team has earned the U.S. Army 2,148 gold, 1,117 silver, and 693 bronze medals in national and international competition. Team members have also broken 348 world records. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. In case you're wondering, this entire beach area beyond this portable fence here is closed off to the public.
Real soft landing.
Here we have an F-16 flyby. This is a KC-135 flyby. This is one of those airplanes that have jet fuel on them to fill up fighter jets while they're flying in the air. These, I believe, are F-16s. I'm about to take a walk where the ocean meets the beach. Wait until you see how much more crowded this beach has become. Lots of aerobatic planes here at the air show. These are planes that fly upside down, go straight up, come straight down. Pretty much daredevil type of flying. This, I believe, is a C5M Super Galaxy flyby. Again, I was asking my Air Force buddy what everything was, and I was taking notes. Now I'm trying to match up my notes to while I'm editing the video, and it just doesn't seem to be working out. Or maybe it is. I have no idea. I do know these planes are massive, and they're not built for speed, but for carrying stuff. Lots of stuff. Like an army. I'm about to head back to my little pup tent. Pray for me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find my way back through this crowd. Those are Coast Guard helicopters. I always see them up and down the Jersey Shore, very easily spotted by their bright orange color. This is a B-25, just in case you were wondering. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, click on the thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Lots more to come here from the Atlantic City Air Show, but full disclosure, the Thunderbirds, which are the big finale here at the Atlantic City Air Show, were delayed by 2 hours because the clouds were rolling in, and of course safety is the #1 concern. From what I understand, once they finally did show up, the big Thunderbird finale was scaled back a lot because of the weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a clip of the Thunderbirds from last year or perhaps the year before, just to show you what the Thunderbird show looks like. Meanwhile, let's continue. Hey guys, just so you know, I am heading to Las Vegas in about a week. I am staying at the Mirage. I booked a King Volcano View room just so I can look out my window and sob when I see that volcano blast off for, well, not so much longer. I also have a comped room at the New York Hotel and Casino, so I'll show you what the rooms look like there as well as the pool. As soon as I get back from Las Vegas, I'm going to start uploading videos for my new channel, Jersey Jeff Eats. Lots of restaurants, fast food restaurants, local restaurants, mom and pop restaurants here up and down the Jersey Shore, all around New Jersey as a matter of fact. Those videos will start being uploaded the week I come back, so in about 2 weeks, videos will be uploaded to this new channel. The channel has about 125 subscribers already, and there's no content, so I thank you guys for that. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell, and you'll start seeing those videos as soon as they're uploaded. By the way, guys, this is a Harrier fighter jet. It's a fighter jet that has the ability to just stop in midair and hover, however you want to say it, like a helicopter. It's crazy, and it was invented by the British, and we kind of caught on and made our own after a little while. But it's always a showstopper here at the Atlantic City Air Show. What was I saying? Oh yeah. I'm having a great time making content for this new channel, and well, I'm looking forward to making Las Vegas content for the New York channel when I get back, so stay tuned to the New York channel. Lots going on here, folks. If you're not subscribed to Jersey Jeff Eats, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can subscribe. I'll also put one right here in the upper right hand corner. Click on it now, make sure you're subscribed. Okay, let's give it up for the Harrier fighter jet. I believe this is the last time it will be seen in the Atlantic City Air Show. They are being retired now. Look, up in the sky, it's more Jersey Knights. No, not Las Vegas hockey players, but Army paratroopers. These are P-51 Mustang demonstration acrobats, and these planes come very close to each other and they're perfectly synced. Alright guys, a little Thunderbird action coming up right now.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.